The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on with. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna love you with what you go through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down. You don't make it.
We have made it to the airport. We got our prostitute. It's still raggedy, but we gotten it. I don't know if anyone has really gone to the Birmingham airport, but it's extremely small. So as soon as you step into the door, check your bags if you need to. Security is about 5 steps away. I mean, it takes no time. Like, I think if I got here, I think it maybe took me about 20 minutes to check 2 bags and then go through security, and then now I'm here. So this is me walking through the airport now. The airport is very small. There are only 3 letters, A, B, and C. A has 1 through 8, B and C are 1 through 4. So that just showed you how small it is. It has 2 restaurants, only one that you know, Chick-fil-A. So when I tell you it's small, and you get in and you get out. So that's one thing I will say is cool about having a small airport. It's like you don't have to get here a bunch of hours early and you're in and out, you know? But I'm gonna get Chick-fil-A today because I feel like every time I come to this airport, I deserve Chick-fil-A. And it's usually pretty good. So hopefully it's still good. So that's where I'm headed now. Oh, excuse me, there's 3 restaurants, not 2. There's a grill, and there's like the Great American Bagel Bakery, and then Chick-fil-A. Everybody just goes to Chick-fil-A. Let's see. Sorry, so I got my food. I got a plain biscuit and then an egg biscuit, and then I use grape jelly. I'm not a strawberry girly. Sorry to those who are. And I just got a cup of water. I was thinking about getting hash browns, but I said, let's not overdo it. We just got here, you know. All right, I tried to turn my mic on, but for whatever reason, it wouldn't come on. So I got a cup of water. Got my first biscuit. Here is just a plain biscuit with egg. So I'm gonna add my jelly. I'm trying not to touch it because they didn't have any hand wipes. So I'm gonna take my first bite.
I know anybody's gonna be lonely without
Chick-fil-A when I'm at this airport. For whatever reason, I think this airport's Chick-fil-A is pretty good. So I really only have Chick-fil-A like once a year at best. Let me not say once a year. I want to give myself room for more because sometimes I fly more than once. So let me just say, whenever I fly, I'm coming to the Chick-fil-A. Whatever they got, for whatever reason, they have the biscuit game down pat. Like, I don't come here for lunch or dinner, but oh yeah. The plain biscuit is top tier. No chicken, no egg, no cheese, plain. Next time, we ain't worry about that protein. Straight carbs.
If all you need is good time, then I could live to I better get all my love, taking all baby. I'm gonna stay by your side, be with you, cool you, and let you know everything will be alright.
And that is how you take down food. If y'all don't learn anything else from this trip, y'all gonna see I can eat. I'm gonna finish this water, go wash my hands, so I can get all the jelly off and stuff, and then we're gonna get on this flight. Should be leaving out in about 20 minutes. So, gotta go see, make sure they're not boarding yet. I don't know if y'all noticed, but when I was walking, the plane is so small that my head was like really close to the ceiling. So it is tight in here, and it's a full flight. So alright, I just arrived to Charlotte, North Carolina. This is where my layover is. Still got the post tube, still rocking out. On this flight, I really just slept most of the time. I tried to listen to a book. I guess I end up technically listening to about an hour and a half of the book. I don't remember any of it, so I might restart the book again while I sit here for my layover. But yeah, I don't know if y'all have ever been to the Charlotte airport, but it's much, much, much bigger than the Birmingham airport. I don't think it gives like Atlanta big, but it's a decent sized airport. So yeah, so now I'm navigating through. I have to go from E, and they have a bunch of E's, all the way to B. So it's gonna take me a little bit of time. So that means I'm not gonna just be sitting there waiting too long. So also, shout out to the man that was sitting beside me on the flight. I don't know if he'll ever see this video, but if he does, it was really cool. So when we were like taking off, he like started praying, and I looked at him praying, and I said, hey, 2 prayers are stronger than 1. So I went on and started praying with him. But thankfully we were landed safely. And then at the end, he was very nice as far as like letting me, get off the plane and stuff. So really, really nice man. We didn't really say too much, but he was nice for the small interaction that we had. So God bless you on the rest of your journey.
Cause I realize I got me myself for my, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. Think about that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Meet myself for my, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. Think about that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself and
just paused the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days till I wait? Make plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. And I never wanna waste things, shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they pre.
All right, I just landed in Newark, New Jersey. I'm currently looking for baggage claim right now. I think I might grab a snack or something because I didn't realize, according to my maps, it's about a 40-minute drive from Newark to New York City, where I'm staying. So we're gonna have to figure out. I'm a little hungry. Yeah, that flight was a little bit uncomfortable because it was 3 people squished together. And then, of course, you have 2 kids that are screaming to the top of their lungs because life is just terrible. I'll baggage claim, go this way. So yeah, that's where I am now, headed to baggage claim. All right, I am now in the Lyft waiting area, so which is pretty nice. It's a lot to have all your stuff and this stupid poster. It is a lot. But this is how it looks. So this is like if you're taking like buses and shuttles or whatever, and then they explicitly have ride at pickup, and then you come to your Lyft section. They also have an Uber section, which is down there, and they have more shuttle sections as well. So, you know, I just got this snack out the store. I've been tearing up chips already. Y'all, so hungry. And I don't know why, like, I thought the ride was gonna be 5 or 10 minutes. That ride is 40 minutes. So I said, oh no, we've got to get a snack. We've got to do it. And I got some water too, but you know, when you're moving around, it's like, I ate a little bit of snack when I was waiting on my bags. And then hopefully when I get into the car, I can actually drink the water and then finish the snack. So we'll see. I'm waiting on a guy named Kevin and a black Suburban. So, Kevin, come on. All right, I think this is Kevin down here. Up there. All right, we've just gotten into the lift and we're headed to New York. I think, seems like it's about a 43-minute drive. So, yeah, should be pretty good. Are you from New Jersey?
No, from New York.
But you from New York? Okay. All right, I'm gonna give y'all a room tour. I'm staying at the Arla Midtown. So this is how it is when you first walk in. Bathroom is here on the right. As you see, not much space, but very cute with what space that they have. But very small space. Like, once you step in, that's it, that's all. Do your business. Then when you come back out here, so it seems like you have maybe a hair dryer and a steamer here. And then this would be like your little closet to hang up whatever clothes you have. A couple drawer space, cabinet space down here. And then I got the 2-bed option that they have. As you can see, pretty tight, but it's New York, so like, what do you expect? And then I guess you can call this like a little nook area. And then this is the view. I'm not sure what this is in front of me by any means, but this is the view. And so this is how the room looks from this angle. So very, very cute, very small, but very nice for the amount of space that they have. Oh, they also have, looks like some drawer space here if you need it. Oh, safe. Okay. And then little nightstands, and yeah, it's a nightstand here, a nightstand in the middle, and then a nightstand on the other side as well. And then there's also a drawer here. A little trash can. Yeah, and then you got your remote and your phone, and good to go. If this room was in any other city, I would complain and be like, oh, it's too small, it's too small. But it's New York. Like, this is what you get in New York. A small place, sometimes nice, for a big price. And that's okay. We still love New York. Also, at the front desk, they give you these Ghirardelli peppermint bark. That's cute. In addition to, of course, like your room key and stuff like that. So, Very cute, very cute. Just want y'all know, I ain't had to murder these chips like that. Somebody should come arrest me, because I killed that whole bag. 10 out of 10. Pop chips, y'all know how to season. Y'all know how to season. Y'all did y'all big one with that. That's it, and that's all. Alright, so I just finished getting settled into the room, and now it's time for dinner. I think it's almost 7 o'clock now. So I decided to go to a place called Dallas BBQs. It has about 14.3K reviews, and the food looks delicious. So hopefully it's good. I think my phone says it's about a 7-minute walk, which is not bad at all. So that's what we're gonna eat tonight. I'm thinking about, they have sticky wings on the menu, and I'm thinking about getting the sticky wings. I don't know. I might order a plethora of stuff, so we'll see. Hopefully the food is really good, like the review said. Dang, I think I need to go back. Okay. See, when you're trying to read, like walk on the map, it's hard. Ooh, fresh. When I tell y'all it's so many people like in Target, like it is so many people, but it's very cute. I'm just picking up little items that I need. I got, like I said, some wet ones, some Target brand Lysol wipes, and then a little hand sanitizer. I think I'm gonna hold off of getting with getting like small groceries. I haven't really decided what I want to do for breakfast yet. Like, it's no point for me to buy food if I'm gonna eat out for every single meal. So I need to think about that a little bit more before I just spend. So I think I'm just gonna get the 3 items that I've shown y'all so far. Huh. Look at this. This is so cute. They have, what is it, native Doritos? I don't know if y'all know, but it's like the soda. You have mandarin, pineapple, watermelon, and passion fruit. They have it in deodorant, and they also have it lotion as well as in the body wash. So that's super cool. I'm gonna smell one of these actually. The watermelon smells really good. But let me go check out before I buy something I don't need. Also, that deodorant is $15.38. Ooh. Excuse me. You pay for each bag, or is
5 cents.
5 cents? Okay.
Yeah, when you press pay, it's gonna ask.
All right. I had to ask because that bag was looking nice, but he said it's only 5 cents, so I think we can handle 5 cents. I don't know why. I feel like everybody moving so fast. I be having to take a second. So I feel like I'm like trying to double, triple check myself. Like, do I have everything? Do I have everything? Because it's like go, 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 go. You're like, hold on, I'm just trying to catch my breath. Lord. But now we're headed over to Dallas BBQs now that I got everything that I need. I might keep this bag, honestly, just in case I pick up some other stuff, because like, there's no need for me to keep buying bags when I bought this one. So that's where we are. When I tell you I'm so excited to eat, like, it's not gonna be baked chicken, rice, or potatoes and a vegetable. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, we in here. Let me see what they're working with on the menu. Here I go. Here go the menu. I think we're gonna do the 5-piece sticky wings, and then we're gonna get some homemade cornbread too. We might get something else. I just gotta keep reading the menu.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
My name is John. I'm gonna be your server.
Okay.
You ready for that?
Yeah.
Please?
First thing, can I also get plastic silverware with my food?
Plastic silverware?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make for you.
Okay. And then I will start with the shrimp cocktail. Just 5 of those.
Shrimp cocktail?
Yeah.
5 please, okay. Any drinks?
A cup of water, but in a to-go cup.
The to-go cup?
Yeah, for water, yeah. And then I will do the sticky wings. I want 5 of those.
Boneless or with the bone?
With the bone.
Oh, right?
Yeah.
5 sticky wings with the bone.
Yeah, and then I'll do the cornbread.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, so they just brought out my food. I got 5 sticky wings and a side of cornbread. It looks like they added some butter on the side. These wings are much bigger than what I actually thought, but I'm gonna get into it and handle it. First, I'm gonna wipe my hands off. I still have a shrimp cocktail on the way, but if I would know it would come out this fast, I probably would have never ordered it, but that's all right. All right. Let us pray in Jesus' name. Let's get into it. We're not counting calories today. Should I start with the cornbread or the sticky wings? Let's get into the cornbread. Okay, a little crunchy on the outside. Come on now. Can't forget the butter.
You saw the best of it.
Yeah.
You're the best of it.
I'm actually gonna try without the butter first, see how that tastes. Oh yeah. That's taking like some down south cornbread. Hold on now. Come on now. If they had spreadable butter, they'd be in a much better position. Oh yeah. That's getting Big Mama house right there. Oh yeah. She talking now, so she can talk to me twice. I'm gonna go ahead and take down the other half.
You'll be surprised.
I don't know why. I thought this place was gonna be like average, like mid. I feel like places that have a bunch of reviews, they're not that good. No shade. I'm on this little shrimp cocktail. Like, why you here? Might have to get 2 pieces. I don't know, but my stomach is smaller now, so it's like I can't order like I want to. All right, here go the shrimp cocktail. I feel like shrimp cocktail is shrimp cocktail no matter where you go. I'm gonna eat one more. That was cute. I give her a 7 out of 10. She's average. You can get her anywhere. I feel like as long as your shrimp is not old or, I don't know, very fishy, it's alright. But it's time to get into the sticky wings. I'm gonna start with this. Mind you, they're whole wings, not even just broken in half. And I wonder what the sticky sauce is really. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, thank you. Actually, let me show y'all what a whole wing look like. Let me do y'all right. This is a whole wing. Ooh, y'all see it dripping off. In the bottom of this plate, it is full of just sticky sauce. So let's get into it. Really good flavor. I know you hear the crunch. Me getting 5 wings is actually perfect. Can I get another order of the cornbread?
Another cornbread?
Yeah, thank you. The cornbread might move up to a 10 out of 10. I need to just taste it a second time. Thank you. Sitting in a plate of sauce. So I'm gonna slide these wings to the side. I'm trying to get into the cornbread. Here I go. Second time. I'm saying they get some spreadable butter, they onto something. Cause my butter is just falling off.
All you have to do is say a word.
you can find out, just throw it out.
Okay. I'm sure I can find somebody.
I'm trying my best. Like,
Yeah.
all the time, if anybody like to, eat the food, I give them. So.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you. And I put the more sauce on top for them. Alright, so now I'm looking up where I can find the best dessert places near me. And that should close it off for the night as far as eating. Dallas BBQ's was a time. That cornbread was 9.9 out of 10. Like, that cornbread is like memorable. I just finished eating at Dallas BBQ. It was really good. Now the next stop is going to be a dessert place. And I don't know if I'm going to tell y'all right now what it is or just let y'all see when we get there. Now, I'm no gatekeeper. I think it's called Levain Bakery. I could be saying it wrong, but I'm going to show y'all the sign and then y'all will know. Because the man said there are usually homeless people out here who need food. So he asked me to give it to somebody who's out here. And that's never a problem. So hopefully we can find somebody to give it to.
Nice.
I still got the food too, by the way. Trying to figure out who I can give it to. I haven't really seen anyone that looks like they need food. I know that sounds like mean to say, but I don't know what I'm looking for. That could be a thing. My girl Asia Wilson, hey boo. Do I give New Yorker like, please don't talk to me. Everything I do is so serious.
There's like a...
I'm in such a hurry to go nowhere. Do I give New York? Y'all let me know what y'all think. I've been trying to walk real fast, but I don't think it's fast enough for these people. I just wanted to give y'all an update that I did give the food away to a homeless man. He seemed very appreciative. So he'll get the rest of those wings that y'all saw in the video. So happy night for him, hopefully. All right, y'all, we made it. Thank you, you're fine. It smells really nice in here. All right, y'all, we just made it to Levain Bakery. That's what I'm gonna call it, just Levain Bakery. I don't have a clue what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna see what they suggest and go from there. And then we're gonna try it out and see. Hi, how are you doing?
I can help somebody right here.
What would you recommend?
Probably the classic walnut.
Okay.
If you like nuts. Most
Okay.
popular is the two-chip.
What do you mean by two chip?
It's milk chocolate and dark chocolate.
Okay, I'll take one of those.
Okay,
How's the oatmeal raisin?
love it.
Okay, I'll try that too.
So just those two cookies.
Yeah.
Cash your card.
Card.
Alright.
This is the bakery. This is how they come in the bag. What did I get? I got the 2-chip chocolate chip and the oatmeal raisin. So let's see which one we pull out first. This is our oatmeal raisin cookie. Why keep hearing footsteps, baby? All right, here you go. I'm gonna tell you where they messed up at. The bottom is just a little too dark. Also, you can tell they don't bake it all the way to complete in there, even though the bottom is dark. But yeah, let's get into the next cookie. Let's not worry about biting the top yet. Our next cookie is the 2-chip chocolate chip you have here. Here's this bottom, also pretty dark. To me, this is a good cookie. It's like very chocolatey. I like the milk chocolate and dark chocolate mix, so it's not overly sweet. I didn't really care for the first cookie, I'll be honest. If I had to rate the almond raisin cookie, I'd probably give that one a 3 out of 10. It wasn't really my favorite. I think it was cooked too long. I think it could be a bit sweeter. That's just my personal preference, you know, everybody's different. And then the chocolate chip, I would give like a 7 out of 10. It's not bad at all. But yeah, pretty good. Would I come back just for this? Probably not. But it's, you know, you're in the city, you try it, it's not bad at all. So that's my rating. I just finished having my cookies, so I'm gonna head back to the hotel now. I think it's still about a 35-minute walk back. But then y'all see me back at the hotel and I'll give y'all a wrap up on my day. All right, I just came back in for the night and I wanted to give you like my thoughts on like the day. So this morning I got up at 7 a.m., got myself ready, make it to the Birmingham airport. From the airport, I went to Charlotte. From Charlotte, I went to New Jersey, and then New Jersey, I went to New York. All of that was really good. I don't feel like I had any issues or anything that really stood out that made traveling bad. You know, it was just, I feel like it's just really good to get out of Birmingham and like see more things. Like, I don't come up to New Jersey or New York very often, so it's good just to see like what's out here in like a bigger city. You know, it's just good to see what other cities have to offer. I think that it's always good to travel more just to like see what's out there, try different foods, see new restaurants, see new clothing. Like, coming out of Birmingham, like New York has so much, and I'm sure that's probably the same amongst a lot of places, but you know, we don't get up this way that often. So I really enjoyed the first day. For dinner, I went to Dallas BBQs. I think that cornbread stands out significantly. Like, I think I will always remember the cornbread at Dallas BBQs. The cornbread at Dallas BBQs, for sure. Like, that was really good. And then after that, I went to Levain Bakery, and the cookies were like okay. I don't think those were necessarily like bad, but maybe just not my type of cookie. The chocolate chip one wasn't too bad, but I didn't really care for the almond raisin too much. Like I said, it's not a bad cookie. I think if you like cookies that are a little less sweet, then those are like really good cookies for you. And I think their store is really, really cute, really nice. It was very clean in there. The people were very friendly, so I really did enjoy that. So yeah, it's been an overall good day. I'm really, really glad that I was able to like share this with y'all. Tomorrow I'm gonna keep recording, try to keep making more content because I want y'all to see like this is truly the life of a DMD PhD student. That you see me present my research locally at the school, and now my research has taken me to New York, and so this is what New York is actually going to be. So here for the conference, but also we get to also enjoy other things outside of the conference that I want to show you. Because if you're interested in this path or anything similar to this path, that this is what could potentially look like for you. So thank y'all so much for watching this. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.